Okay, so never trust, always verify, right? Zero trust. Honestly, one of the most overused phrases in cybersecurity right now. But real talk, do you actually think zero trust closes all the security gaps? Yeah, I'm not gonna spoil that. So this morning, while some of you were chilling with your coffee or sitting through yet another security lecture that could have been an email, I was doing something a little different. I was legally hacking an enterprise environment. Fully legit, fully authorized. You're probably wondering how? The Zero Credentials Challenge from INE just threw me in. No hints, no hand-holding, just a real-world scenario. Exactly the kind of target you'd actually come across in a real assessment. And look, I found all 5 flags. Super proud of myself for not rage quitting after the first 5 minutes because wow, it took me over 2 hours. But no black magic involved, just sharp eyes, the right methodology, and the stuff that actually works in real engagements. Nothing fancy. And that's exactly why I keep coming back to INE CTFs. The people who build these, they just get it. They always bring you back to the classics, real vulnerabilities, common misconfigs, the stuff that's still showing up on assessments every single week. Not some weird edge case you'll stumble across once in your whole career. You don't need 10 years of experience. Seriously, solid fundamentals and the right mindset, that's it. Anyway, back to the actual point. Never trust, always verify. And that includes me. Go solve Zero Credentials yourself and see if it's as good as I'm saying. You've got a couple of days left. Don't sleep on it.